So in this video today, I'm going to teach you how to prepare the best potato sauce ever. And this is my potato boiling. So I'll go in with my onions and my groundnut oil and I'll fry. Then I'm also going with my fresh tomato already grounded, and I've already cooked it for some days now. So I will make sure I stir it very well till the salt taste of the fresh tomato will go out. Then after that, I'll go in with my seasonings. My beni, my onga, my maggi, my salt, and also my curry, as you can see. And then after that, I'll keep stirring so that everything can mix together very well. Then I'll go in with my carrots blended. I blended it very well, and I'll make sure I stir it together very well so that the mixture could combine very well. And then I'll also go in with my green beans. So I'm going with my green beans and I'll stir together. Please, if this video interests you, give it a thumbs up, share, and don't forget to subscribe for more videos like this. Then I'll keep stirring together, I'll make sure I stir it very well. And then I'm going to leave it to boil for some seconds. And then while this is boiling, I'll set it aside and I'll go in with my frying pan, my oil, ready to fry my egg. Then I'll enter in with my egg, and then I'll leave it for it to be strong a little, and I'll start stirring. I think there is a lot of groundnut oil, so I will reduce the groundnut oil, and yes, it will give me this mixture. And now it is done. I'll go in with my cooked potato into the sauce I've prepared, and I'll turn it a little bit, and I'll go in with my fried egg. Guys, this is so delicious, as you can see. And then after going in with my fried egg, I'll start mixing everything together. This is so simple to make, I'm telling you. I'll start mixing everything together, start giving it a mixture. As you can see, the mixture has started changing. Start mixing everything together until it gives me this mixture. And yes, I think our food is ready. Food is ready. So guys, it's so easy to make this meal. Don't forget to subscribe for